channel!
Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Makikita ko na si Patrick Starrr. May problema pa ako kasi tiningnan na meron palang kailangan pala magsuot ng sequin na damit. Hindi ako prepared. Bahala na. With Ashley!
Hi! Someone was late. Who's late?
Sorry.
Okay lang. You made abot naman.
This is Sheila!
Hi guys!
Believe that makeup is a one-size-fits-all. What the? Oh my God. This is so freaking crazy. I never in my wildest dreams thought I would be collaborating with a brand, let alone an international brand like MAC Cosmetics. This brand is not just online. This brand is not just US. This brand is global. My collaboration is global. You will see it in stores. My head is hurting. My turban is usually too tight, but this is blowing my mind, and I honestly want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this journey.
Welcome to the MAC Beauty event with Patrick Starrr. Big guest, all right. The social media beauty vlogger has over 3.5 million subscribers on YouTube and over 4 million followers on Instagram. His philosophy, makeup is a one-size-fits-all. I love that. Inclusive, loving, and of course forward-thinking. Let's give a warm Filipino mabuhay. Can you all say mabuhay? Mabuhay! Welcome home, Patrick Starrr!
Wow! Hi! Wow! Kamusta?
We're just gonna take a moment to let this moment sink in.
Ano ba yan? Turban sisters, yes!
You can see the influence right away.
I love it! I'm real in the flesh. Thank you so much for having me. Maraming salamat. Mahal kita. It really means so much to be here. I can't believe that intro she said. I actually paid her to write that.
No. I wrote that for you.
Oh my God, look how pretty! Wow, this is real. This is absolutely insane. Hi everyone. Are you excited about the MAC collection of being in the Philippines? It was definitely my special request. They're nodding yes. To come to the Philippines first because I haven't been here in close to 20 years. And Mama Starr's here. Did y'all see Mama Starrr?
You can spot her a mile away.
Yes. Follow her on Instagram. Mama Starrr. Papa Starrr. Papa Starr's here. My Lola is here. Lola, hello Lola. Believe ka? You believe this? I'm here. I'm famous. I'm very famous, Lola. See my fans, Lola. They're real. It's really surreal, and MAC was the perfect partner for me because they really celebrate that makeup is a one-size-fits-all. As a fierce Filipino in the industry, it's just unbelievable that they chose someone like me to partner and create something so huge and amazing for the whole world to see.
And Asia's next top model, yes, another big surprise. You know who I'm talking about, of course, Lilith. I'll introduce Maureen Rollins. Now, how do you feel that you've got the privilege to be touched by Patrick Starrr?
It's such an honor to be sitting here, and I've learned a lot from your YouTube videos. Like, I've been a fan since, I don't know, for a long time, and it's such an honor to be here.
Thank you. It's an honor for me. need to be here, okay? Cute, cute, cute. You're so pretty. This is one of my favorite palettes. This is Patrick Starrr Glam AF. Who is Glam AF? I'm not confident enough. I'm gonna ask again, who is Glam AF? Lola, that means really glam. Shall I do can we do a top model pose really quick before? Yes, beauty, beauty. And we'll do it after. If you want to elevate your eye, like always look in the mirror. So I'll have her look straight ahead too. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Who bought the collection? Good. I love makeup. Do y'all love makeup? Yeah. Everyone's like, yeah.
I've been working for MAC for 14 years.
Yes?
Yes.
Wow. As old as me. Just kidding. Yes.
Please tag me, okay? Thank you so much. Alright, everyone can leave.
Wala, nasa nanapin na.
Ang ganda niyo. Kaya lang may hinahabol kami. Si Patrick Starrr, hinahabol kami. Mga stalker. Saan na siya? Maaga na tapos. Kaya magkakape kami.
Food!
Someone's makeup. Super humble, super kind, super supportive. I'm just starting YouTube, but she's so supportive and I feel so flattered. Grabe guys. Sobrang genuine niya. Yun lang masasabi ko. And I met her today. FYI, nakilala ko lang siya ngayon. And nag-subscribe siya sa akin.
Subscribe kay Sheila.
Thank you guys.
How old are you?
You're so guapo.
What's your name?
Do you know what guapo means? It means handsome.
Hi! Cute!
What? What?
You should talk to CRISHA'S. Mahilig sa girls.
Oo nga. Pero siya magpa-cute. Relax.
You throw ng mami eh.
Oh.
Pinagawa pa na.
Thank you! 5 o'clock na pala. 5:10.
Ay, it's not, it's not.
How do you focus it?
Yeah. Bye guys. Bye Ashley. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, baka pagkakas. Magandang pagkakas. That's more than $2.
Video pa. Yes.
I'm excited. For the food. We're mostly hungry talaga. Baka food first and then Patrick.
Ayan na.
Let's do it together.
background. May refreshing.
Yeah. It's like you just know you're gonna wake up not knowing what you did last night.
Hi YouTube! Kamusta? Dito tayo sa Manila, Patrick Starrr and Mag. And subscribe to her channel!
Thank you.
Very nice. She's so mabait.
Super.
Patrick, oh, you're here! Where did you come from? Where'd you come from? Dude, ito talaga yung favorite ko.
Uwi na si Ashley. Bye, Ash.
Enjoy, love
Take
you.
care, take care. Love you. Ingat ka.
Thank you. Kasi lang rice.
Yan na yun.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Mwah. Nice meeting you.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Subscribe to her.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. Ingat ka. Thank you. Happy to see Patrick Starrr. Thank you, MAC Cosmetics, for these lovely gifts. Thank you so much. Salamat kaayo!